In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and open a PDF in Google Docs. This can be incredibly useful if you need to edit the content of a PDF or if you want to collaborate with others on the document within the Google ecosystem. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to easily convert a PDF into an editable Google Doc format. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by entering drive.google.com into your browser's address bar. If you aren't already logged in, sign in with your Google account details. This is a crucial step because access to Google Drive requires authentication to ensure your files are secure and accessible only to you or those you choose to share them with. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll need to upload your PDF. Look at the top left corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled New. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select File Upload. This action will open a window to your computer's file directory. Navigate through your folders and select the PDF you want to upload. After selecting your file, you'll begin the upload process. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this could take a moment, so just sit tight until it's fully uploaded. With your PDF uploaded to Google Drive, it's time to open it in Google Docs. Locate the PDF file in your drive. Looking for the file name or recent uploads might help you find it quicker. Then, right-click on the file. This will display a context menu with several options. From these, choose Open With, and then select Google Docs from the submenu. This action kicks off the conversion process that transforms your PDF into a Google Docs document, making it editable. An important note here is that while Google Docs does a great job of converting PDFs to editable documents, the formatting might not always carry over perfectly. Complex layouts, intricate designs, and certain fonts might look a bit different once converted. This is because PDF and text processing layouts don't always translate directly. But in most cases, the content will be there and you can adjust the formatting to suit your needs once in Google Docs. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now upload and convert a PDF into an editable Google document. Whether you need to make edits or collaborate with others, Google Docs provides a powerful platform to handle your PDF files. Give it a try and experience the ease and flexibility of working with PDFs in Google Docs.